Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Today, we're going to study how to multiply a decimal by a whole number. Let's see the first example. 6.3 times 2. Let's consider 6.3. 6.3 can be changed to 63 divided by 10, and times 2 is just the same. Since division and multiplication are in the same order of operation, we can switch divided by 10 and times 2. So 63 divided by 10 times 2 is equal to 63 times 2 divided by 10. Do you remember how to divide a decimal by 10? If not, please refer to the video Decimal 6. So we calculate 63 times 2, and we need to move the decimal point one place to the left. So we can just multiply 63 times 2. Let's calculate this by column multiplication. 3 times 2 becomes 6, and 6 times 2 is 12. Since 126 is a whole number, we can place a decimal point at the right end. Then, we just move the decimal point one place to the left. So the answer is 12.6. For multiplication of decimals by a whole number, just ignore the decimal point and multiply the rest. Move the decimal point from the right end to the left. Now let's try another question. 8.5 times 74. First of all, let's ignore the decimal point. So we calculate 85 times 74 by column multiplication. Do you remember how to multiply two digits by two digits? We need to focus on 4 first. 5 times 4 becomes 20. So 0 is placed here and 2 is carried over to the next digit. 8 times 4 becomes 32, and added by 2 it will be 34. So 4 is placed here and 3 will be in the next digit. Now we move to 7. 5 times 7 is 35. So 5 is placed here and 3 is carried over to the next digit. 8 times 7 is 56, and added by 3 it will be 59. So 9 is placed here and 5 will be in the next digit. Now we need to add them. 0 just moves down. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. So 2 moves down and 1 is carried over to the next digit. 1 plus 5 is 6. Now we need to deal with the decimal point. The original question was 8.5 times 74, but we did 85 times 74. Since 85 is a whole number, we can place the decimal point at the right end. To change 85 to 8.5, the decimal point was moved one place to the left. We can place the decimal point at the right end of 6,290. Then we need to move the decimal point one place to the left. So the answer is 629.0. We can eliminate the decimal point and 0. So the final answer is 629. Let's see the last question. 4.56 times 31. First of all, let's ignore the decimal point. So we calculate 456 times 31 by column multiplication. We need to focus on 1 first. 6 times 1 becomes 6, so 6 moves down. 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 moves down. 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 moves down. Now we move to 3. 6 times 3 is 18. So 8 is placed here and 1 is carried over to the next digit. 5 times 3 is 15, and added by 1 it will be 16. So 6 is placed here and 1 will be carried over to the next digit. 4 times 3 is 12, and added by 1 it will be 13. So 3 is placed here and 1 will be placed in the next digit. Now we need to add them. 6 just moves down. 5 plus 8 is 13. So 3 moves down and 1 is carried over to the next digit. 1 plus 4 plus 6 is 11. So 1 moves down and 1 is carried over to the next digit. 1 plus 3 is 4, and 1 just moves down. Now we need to deal with the decimal point. The original question was 4.56 times 31, but we did 456 times 31. Since 456 is a whole number, we can place the decimal point at the right end. To change 456 to 4.56, the decimal point was moved 2 places to the left. So we can place the decimal point at the right end of 14,136. Then we need to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So the answer is 141.36. Let's summarize today's lesson. When you multiply a decimal by a whole number, just ignore the decimal point first. Multiply what is left over. Then move the decimal point from the right end to the left according to the original place of the decimal point. Here are some challenge questions. Try them out. Sample solutions are linked under the video. Hope you can solve them. Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Please subscribe if you'd like to join our Inspire Math tutoring community. There are some related videos linked below. Thank you and have a good one.